Welcome back. Whether you're new to painting or want to learn more about paintbrush techniques, this video is for you. Today, we'll focus on using a round paintbrush. I'm using the Camel brand, which offers brushes in various sizes. In this video, we'll be working with a small round paintbrush on a canvas panel to explore different techniques. Evergreen Trees and Leaves. Start by using brown shades. A smaller round brush is perfect for creating tiny leaves with delicate strokes. Flowers and Petals. To paint petals, load your brush with your chosen color. Hold the brush at a slight angle, press down with medium pressure, and gently pull while lightening the pressure, lifting the brush as you finish the stroke. Stippling. This technique is great for adding texture, like the center of a flower. Lightly tap the tip of the brush on the canvas to create small flecks of color. You can layer different colors to add depth, and smaller brushes with even pressure will give you precise dots. We hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful painting tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future videos.